You see nowadays, you see less friend we can keep, it better for we in our life. Because you see right now, the police them, must slap with everything in a real life, bro. Right now you say we can stay at a company, bro, it better for we in our life. Because right now, once a mix up, and go shake ground a man thing, the bad man will come for you. So brother, the best thing we can do is stay to yourself, keep out of trouble, keep out of problem, and don't mix and mingle. And just do the right thing. Because you once you do the right thing, bro, I better way that, bro. Because we have to understand it. Gunman they in a ramp. So you better we just stay out of them way, bro. And make them do what they have to do. Because when you're out of them way, you better have fear. At least you don't mix with them. At least you don't do no trouble. You don't mix up yourself with them. So just go and do the right thing, get to you. Because I tell you, Jamaica is not a...
Back at it again, my viewers and subscribers. That is it. As I quote, the decomposed body of 8-year-old Nevada Blackburn, who was reportedly missing over the weekend, was found today in his community of Gregory Park in Portmore, St. Catherine. The body was identified by his mother and the relative who, along with others, went to the area with the police as they searched for the boy. The police had reported that Nevada was last seen at a playfield in his community about 4:30 p.m. on Saturday. So, Jano people, now families and friends get a relief of the whole thing, you know what I mean? Because they've been wondering and pondering all over what really happens to this little boy. Sad to hear though, you know. Big up Papa News links for this piece of clip I'm about to show. Anyway, moving on to the next topic, people. It's so funny when time you are alive, people don't really business and care nothing about you. But just when you're gone, that's when all of the problem derive up. But anyway, what really happened right here? Wife and daughter fight over Cedric Deadlift, someone who them never like when him did alive. Can you believe it? So right now, the man died and other relatives of the deceased man chain up the gate and the mother and daughter come and try to pull the gate and try to forge it. Have next man with handsaw blade to cut the chain and all them thing the people. So just watch and see what really carry on right here.
Me cannot. Right. Yeah, but me can't give you anything. No, why you don't tell her? Well, why you don't tell her? 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 Why you don't tell her?
She not answer no call for me and she not take no text for me because she know what me I do.
So why you never care? Why as she have to take it up with, my friend? Listen, as she have to take it up with. As she have to take it up with, my friend. As she have to take it up with, yeah? You have to take it up with that. And you have to take, you can't cut off it, else you're not getting in trouble. You're not getting in trouble. You can't cut off the lock.
See if I can lock it. Take out the key.
We never talk to the people them who control the place. We never go control the place. Yes. Are you have it? Are you hear one? No, ask if I hear one. Are you hear one? Is he hear one? So you have to go to the authorities. You can't come to me. You can't just come take over the man place. So you have to go to the authorities them. Go through the authorities them. Go through the authorities them. Go through the authorities them, my friend. Go through the authorities then. Yeah, go. Virgin, don't touch the lock.
Mind you put your hand for me. Mind you put your hand for me.
Man, I get in trouble. Oh, man, I get in trouble.
Put your hand for me.
This is a felony, you know. Hey, this is a felony, you know. This is a felony, you know, my friend. This is a felony. Yeah, breach. Felony. This is a felony, you know. This is a felony, you know. This is a felony. This is a felony. This is a felony. It's a felony. It's a felony, my friend. This is a felony. You breach the law. Yeah.
They must go come to me.
I lie,
And
yeah,
they can't go to
breach the law.
They must go come to me.
Yeah, breach the law. Yeah, breach the law. When I breach the law.
Like only cause.
Nah, breach the law. You are breach the law. The boss, you get in trouble when you do this, yeah?
You're lucky.
You get in trouble. Then you can call the police. Why you never come with the police, mister? Mister, why you never come with the police, mister? Mister, why you never come with the police? Why you didn't come with the police? Why you didn't come with the police? Why you didn't come with the police? But why you didn't come with the police? Why you didn't come with the police? Why you don't bring the police? Hello, why you don't bring the police, ma'am? My video it in because and I'm Maxi. Come with the police. So you not call the police now? Call the police now, no? Call the police. Why you not call the police now? Eh? Why you not call the police?
Video me. Do it.
Yeah, video everything we have to take
Do
place.
it.
Right. This is breaking our entire here. I hope you know that. This is breaking our entire. Then you're going to see when you're going to court. You're going to see. 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 You're going to see if you're breaking our entire.
All that we are going to see. Papi off. What are we going to see? Uncle, you have a mind there? Yeah, the coffee first to get one to money.
Yeah, get yourself in trouble in my box. You didn't know that?
I'm hurt, man.
Are you hurt, is that? Alright, cool. Cool. So why you never call the police? Huh? Why you never bring the police with you? No police?
No, me, I deal with that.
Oh, you deal with
Yeah, I
it?
do.
You work here. Alright. You know some my lock do you got that, right? You know some my lock is right? You know some my lock you got that, right? Alright, cool. It's a break in our entire, my friend. This is break. This is breaking our entire.
When the police they want you around me, but
When the police don't want me?
When everything cool off.
When police want me? Which police want me?
When you cool off.
Which police you want me?
You did a hide man Leicester, but you not hide man Leicester.
Which police you want me?
You not hide man Leicester again, so you come in now.
Anyway, people, this is how Beenie Man cause everybody to scrutinize him every single day, because I mean, when Beenie Man should just take it cool, Beenie Man is getting worse and worse, people. Well, there's a video going around with Beenie Man stop Shano in the middle of his performance and have people talking about it. Even one Kevin, and this is what he has to say about the whole situation.
Asking a question. Nobody did not tell Beenie Man that Shano was added to the list. Why Shano did not get to work? Me see a little youth there on stage where get more time than Shano. And the youth are not artist. The youth is a selector. The youth play I Am Blessed, and me I tell you, say, him play a whole heap of more big tunes still, you know. But I Am Blessed, you turn it over with that. And him go on good. But that little youth they get more time than Shano. Nobody no respect Shano. How? Shano not artist. Who don't recognize Shano. Brother, everybody a talk about Beenie Man beating what Beenie Man a get. But this got to show on the say. Beenie Man a leg on nobody in a dance hall. Shano the right there so with your brother. And you could have drawn Shano up on the stage and make Shano give his performance. In the last minute when you're ready my play, you know see Shano the part, yo. And you not pay him no mind. And Shano run out. And say, tell them you want a meal for share with me and me friend them. Friend them. Friend them. A high grade it a kick and everybody start real. And when the man goes up and say, I'm here alone in the dark room. First, you know, when time the youth start saying you want a meal for share, now Beenie Man say, thank you guys for coming out. And so the man goes and say, I'm here alone in the dark room. Beenie Man come again. And say, yo, thank everybody for coming out. Have a good night and we don't want to get in no problem. Yo, we never did give the man a chance to work, brother. You are not the only artist that was there. Even though you're acknowledging that Shano is there, you know say you did it. Why you never make him work? You see selfishness wanna have you now, no? It a go always forever keep on done. Who no beat you last night with one belt buckle. You come like you just take one tree from the root and drop it in at the youth head. The youth was disappointed last night. And his fans was disappointed because he do have fans too. That was disgusting, Beenie Man. Let me tell you that.
Thank you for watching my viewers and subscribers. And those who haven't subscribed as yet, subscribe. Press the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Like, share, leave a comment in the comment section. Bless upon yourself, my people. That is it.